It's rainy here. Good morning. It's our Tuesday morning over here. Join with me. Better than the ice, guys. You know. So I will go to my physical therapy. Oh my goodness. Alright. Time check tayo. It's 9:46 a.m. Yung mga ibon talaga dito. Hello, ang kanilang lipad. Alright. Hindi na ako nag-winter coat. At sana hindi tayo lamigin. No? Parang okay lang with the sweater. But this sweater is also good for cold. So, at sa sasakyan lang tayo at pasok agad sa place, no, that I'm going to. So, hello guys, good morning, good evening to you, and good afternoon somewhere. Sana talaga hindi ako lamigyan. Ang init sa house. Medyo excited ako wag mag-suot ng winter coat. Diyos mayo. Na-excite ang lola nito. It's okay, truck. Trailer na talaga ako sa trailer. Medyo kinakabahan ako pag nakakita ako ng trailer. Ako lang ba? Trailer truck. No? Ang nagpapakaba sa akin, police car, school bus, and yeah, trailer truck. My car is still so loud noise, guys, because of my winter tires. So medyo loud siya. Sana talaga hindi ako lamigin, guys. Sige, tumawid ka, Manong. Patawirin natin si Manong ng safe. Oh my gosh. Kailangan ko na ng new car. Sana manalo tayo ng lottery. This is my first car, guys. is my favorite lip balm, Burt's Bees. So anything organic, go tayo dyan na. Tapos tinted siya. Ayan. So maghintay tayo ng mga siguro 5 minutes before. So dito na lang ako. Alright. So see you later, guys. You guys stay well, stay happy, you know, and yeah, do what makes you happy. Parang yun yung favorite quotation ko, no, lately. Parang mag-isang taon na yata. Do what makes you happy. So sending a cooler air to Philippines. OMG, that is too high, no? 102.2 Celsius. Excuse me, Fahrenheit pala. I was like what you call it, research, no, doing research. What is 39 Celsius in Fahrenheit? Oh my god, I hate yung ganon. Kaya kailangan tayong may laging water. Okay, I can't go without water, guys. Oh my god. Okay, I'll go for now. Bye. Rainy siya. I love my car holder, guys.